Hi guys, thank you all for joining me. If you are new here, my name is Vanita and we do all things crochet over here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for hanging out with me once again. For today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you all how to hold your yarn and your hook, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a slip knot and how to make a chain. So just stick around and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with our slip knot. So you want to go ahead and pick up your yarn, and you're just going to leave a tail of a couple of inches, and you're going to lay that yarn across your two fingers. And then you're going to start wrapping it around the back of those two fingers. And if you notice, I am holding the yarn with my thumb, and you're just going to wrap around the back, come back around the front, and now you want to cross over. And then you just want to take your finger, and you're going to open your two fingers and just push that yarn between those two fingers. And now you're going to pull the yarn. And you're going to start moving those fingers out. And then you're just going to pull down. And that's your slip knot, okay? Now you just want to take that slip knot, put your hook in the slip knot. And then you just want to pull them apart. And that is your slip knot that you've made. All right, so now you've made your slip knot. Now that you have made your slip knot, you're going to go ahead and pick up your crochet hook. This is how I hold mine. This is called the knife hold. But you're going to pick yours up and hold it in whatever way is comfortable for you. But the loop, the hook part of your crochet hook should be facing you, okay? As long as it is facing you, you're fine. And as long as you're holding it in a comfortable way for yourself, it is fine. This hold is called a knife hold, but I've seen people hold their hook in various ways. So whatever is comfortable for you, that's how you should be holding your crochet hook. Now, as far as your yarn goes, you're going to hold your crochet hook with the slip knot on it, and you're going to pick it up, and you're just going to wrap your yarn around your pinky finger, just like that. All right, then you're going to pull down a little bit to get you some yarn going. And then you're going to come back up, and you're going to wrap it around your first finger, okay? All right, now, if you notice I wrapped it around the back of my finger, I'm going to take my middle finger and my thumb, and I'm going to cuff the knot, the actual slip knot itself. All right, now that I have the slip knot cuffed, I am going to take my crochet hook, and I am going to yarn over, is what this is called. I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to bring the yarn around to the head of that crochet hook. Remember I said that the crochet hook should be facing you. The hook part of it should be facing you. So now that I have that, I am going to do what you call pull through. So I'm going to pull through that slip knot. And that is my first chain. All right. Now we're going to do that again. We're going to yarn over. All right. Yarning over. And then I'm going to pull through again. And now I've made two chains. And we're going to yarn over again. And I'm just going to pull through again. And I made a third chain, all right? And you'll just continue to do that and make however many chains your project calls for. So you're just yarning over and then pulling through. All right? And that counts as 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you just yarn over and pull through. And that is how you make your chain. So now I'm going to go ahead and make a total of 10 chains because I want to show you all how to do a single crochet. So I have 5 hooks, 5 chains on my hook. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So that gives me a total of 10 chains. All right. So now we're going to do a single crochet. So this loop on my hook does not count as anything, okay? This is the first chain from the hook. Those little V's are what you're going to be going into in between those little V's. All right, that's the first one. That's the second one. I am going to go into the second chain from my hook. So you're going to go ahead and just go directly into that chain. And then you're going to yarn over. Oops, yarn over, and then you're going to pull through. You have 2 loops now on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through both of those loops. And that is a single crochet. So we're going to do that again. You're going to go directly into that chain space. All right. Then you're going to yarn over. Oh, I'm sorry. After you go into that chain space, you're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. And that is a single crochet, a US single crochet. We're going to do that again. So we're going to go directly into the chain space. Then you're going to yarn over. You're going to pull up. You have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over again. And then you just want to pull through both loops. All right. We'll do another. You're going to go directly into that chain space. You're going to yarn over. Pull up a loop. And then you are going to yarn over and just pull through both loops. All right, and those are your single crochets. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go on down and make the rest of them, because I want to show you what it's gonna look like once you finish making all of your single crochets. All right, once you've completed a row of single crochets. All right, and that is what it would look like once you have completed a row of chains and a row of single crochets. All right, so you all go ahead and practice that. And for our next absolute beginner crochet tutorial, we will be doing double crochets, half double crochets, and slip stitches. So thank you all for hanging out with me. Please subscribe to my channel. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe to the channel and click like. I would love to hear from you down in the comments and just tell me how you're doing so far with just learning these basic techniques to crochet. And I will see you all for the next ABC tutorial. Bye.